Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking to add a gigantic burst of umami to your dishes? Well, it's right here in this bottle. This is the Wangshin smoked soy sauce, and this is a super delicious product. So this is a smoked soy sauce naturally fermented in traditional methods in clay pots. This is made in Korea, and it has 4 simple ingredients: soybean, anchovy sauce, water, and salt. So this soy sauce really packs a punch, and a little bit goes a long way. The smoke flavor is really nice. It's not overwhelming, but it really does add to the flavor of your food. And yes, there is anchovy in this, but it is not overwhelmingly fishy or anything like that. This just adds a really rich, salty, delicious flavor to your food. So I've been super happy with it. I have put it into a ramen broth. I've dipped food into it. I've used it in stir fry, and just adding a little splash of this adds so much flavor to whatever you're making. So I think that this is an excellent product. I really believe that it's made with love and care, and that comes through in the quality and the flavor. So if you're looking for a big punch of flavor to add to your dishes, then I would definitely check out this soy sauce. I've been really happy with it, and that's my point of view.